Everybody, Standell, President of Florida Suncoast. Hope you're doing well. Hey, a lot happening on the calendar this week and through the end of the year. I think I counted some 15 events that are on the calendar already, and maybe a few more that haven't made it there just yet. So a lot to do between now and the end of the year. A lot of planning going on. So let me run through them real quick. We got some things that are happening I want to tell you about. 2 events on the 11th, Jacksonville Cars and Coffee, Caffeine and Octane at the Avenue Mall there in Jacksonville. Al's taking care of that one. On the 11th also is Lakeland Cars and Coffee at Phil's BMW. That's Kyle's event. Both of these events are going strong, and come on out and be a part if you're in that territory. On the 12th, we have 2 events on the 12th as well. Naples Cars and Coffee at Germain at the southern store for Germain. Mario and Carol taking care of that. I'll mention 2 things real quick. They're supporting the Naples Shelter and the Giving Tree at this particular Cars and Coffee this Sunday, so come on out. Should be a lot of fun there. On the 12th also is Gainesville Cars and Coffee at Whole Foods. That's Mary Beth's Cars and Coffee going on up in the Ocala, Gainesville market area. This one's in Gainesville. So a lot of things going on there. Come on out. On the 18th, we have the Fort Myers Cars and Coffee at BMW Fort Myers. December the 2nd, we get into Sarasota Cars and Coffee. That's at BMW Sarasota. Rob, Russ, and the guys taking care of that one. Always a lot of fun. And then December the 2nd is Sebring. That's a Saturday. We take a ton of folks out to Sebring every year. So it's on the link. Get in. There's 2 things. You got an RSVP through Florida Suncoast, and then go online and get your ticket. I think Carol's put the link out there. Be sure you purchase the HSR props and pistons ticket for Saturday only. I think it's $30. But we do the normal thing. We're pulling the trailer out there. We have the grill. We'll be cooking. Our tents will be in turns. The corral will be should be where we have been all these years. I think this is our 10th or 11th year doing this. We're out in turns 15 and 16. So come on out. It's a blast of a day. There's a drive on, and we should have a great time. Just come on out and to the Sebring thing. If you've never driven your car on the track, it's just exhilarating. Bring somebody with you, and bring a camera, bring a video, bring your phone, whatever you can take pictures. It's really something to take care of. So take care of that. Let me tell you now, we're the RSVPs for the Mountain Drive 3, which will happen in 2024, October of 2024, is almost full. We have 40 folks that have already RSVP'd and already made their reservations at the hotel. We only have 15 more spots. So the next 15 folks will get those spots, and then we'll go on to a waiting list. It'll be first come, first served. We'll have it postmarked or dated as to when you do your RSVP, as to who gets the first phone call and first opportunity in case there's a cancellation. We had a great time this year, so if you want to be a part of that, you better hustle because space is running out. Let me tell you, I've got an invitation from the Porsche Club here in Naples to get your car on 5th Avenue, what they call Cars on 5th. It's a very prestigious car event. It takes a long time, a waiting list, sometimes longer than 10 years to get your car on show. But we might be able to get 4 or 5, half a dozen BMWs on 5th Avenue this year. If you're interested, you have to email me or call me right away so that you can get your application in and be considered to get on there. I can't guarantee it, but you've got to hustle if you're going to do this. Email me at president@fscbmwcca.com or go online, look up my number on our website, and just give me a call. I'll send you that link. Lastly, BMR Life is coming up. The deadline is coming up to submit articles for the spring edition, and the theme will be escapes. So if you've taken a great escape somewhere, give me 2 paragraphs of what you've done and 2 pictures, and send it to me at the same email address, president@fscbmwcca.com. Send it to me right away. I need it before November the 20th. As I'm consolidating these articles and we submit them to Beamer Life, you too can be like the Claytons and like Rob and all the other folks that have gotten your articles in the Beamer Life, and it goes all across the Southeast. Everybody gets to see it, and it's just a really cool thing. So if you want to be in a magazine, a national magazine that's in our dealerships and in our home coffee tables, send me an article about escapes. Wherever you escape to, it could be across town, across state, across the country, doesn't matter. But send me a couple of paragraphs and a couple of pictures describing what you did with your BMW and where you went. So we'll do that. Hey, until then, a lot going on. Check out the website down below. Appreciate your participation there. If you're not a Facebook member, we have a private Facebook account, FSC BMW Facebook account. See how to sign up on our website and get on there. It's closed to the outside. We don't let outsiders in. You got to be a CCA member to get on there. And we're talking about anything and everything. So come on out and have some fun and chat with us. It's a great way to meet your neighbors. Until then, happy motoring, y'all. See you soon. And